Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and enabling NFC. Unlock your Nothing Phone 2A Plus and make sure battery is above 20% to avoid interruptions. Open Settings, go to Connected Devices, then NFC, and toggle it on. This activates the radio. Once done, check Tap to Pay or any NFC-related service and set the default app so transactions or tags use the correct handler. Make sure screen timeout is long enough while you test, and keep the back of the phone accessible. Now you learn how to scan and interact. Hold the phone's rear center near the NFC tag or card at about 1 to 2 centimeters distance and keep it steady. The phone detects most tags quickly. When you see a notification, tap it to view content and choose the appropriate action, such as opening a link, saving contact info, or completing payment. If you need advanced control, open an NFC Tools app to read raw data, write a new payload, or emulate tags for testing purposes. Finish by verifying and troubleshooting. After a successful read or payment, confirm the action completed and test again to ensure repeatability. Close background apps that might interfere. If the phone fails to detect tags, restart the Nothing Phone 2A Plus, toggle NFC off and on, and remove any thick cases or magnetic mounts that block the antenna. If problems persist, clear the cache for the NFC or payment app or reset network settings. These steps fix most stubborn conflicts and restore normal NFC operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.